So here we are at Entropy Racing on a Saturday morning, doing more prep for the 25 Hours of Thunderhill. If you look over there, we're starting to balance the batteries for the race. The gray ones are what we normally use. The blue ones are going to be another test pack that we have that'll be greater capacity that we'll get a chance to test before we go to Thunderhill. And if they work out, they'll give us an extra 2 or 3 battery packs. And if you follow me over here to the car, you can see what we're starting to work on with quick connectors. So to remove these batteries, it's relatively quick. It's 4 bolts, but we still have to get a secure electrical connector that can pass about 600 amps. And what we're going to use here is a brass connector that is indexed and goes in, and it's a 180-degree engagement, but it's got a lot of surface area all around. And what we're doing here is we're just replacing our crossover wire on this car with a quick connector right there. And in our next 2 events, we're going to run this on the car. We're going to take temperature readings and current readings and make sure that these connectors are up to the job. And assuming that they are, then we're going to have 2 connectors on each side that are going to come off like so. And we'll have a mounting plate in here that recesses them a little bit down there, has better insulation. And when we take those off and take the 4 bolts off to remove the battery packs, it should take probably less than a minute to remove the battery packs and give us a good secure connection. So once we're done testing, assuming everything goes as it should, we'll have 4 of these on the 2 battery packs, and the car will have 4 of them permanently mounted to the car, and they'll just get in, get offered, get twisted, and they'll be done. So stay tuned, and we'll see how it goes on October 8th for testing at Summit Point.